I'm about to restock some sandwich bread, but I'm going to do it without a stand mixer because I know not everybody has a stand mixer. So I just wanted to share that it is completely possible to do without. In fact, I made bread for a while before I had a stand mixer. 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, 1/4 cup of sugar, or you can do honey, 2 cups of warm water, and mix it. Then I'm covering this with a towel and waiting till the yeast gets foamy, which usually takes about 10 minutes. In the meantime, I like to go ahead and melt some butter. I'd say 2 to 4 tablespoons. Now that the yeast is foamy, add my melted butter, a teaspoon or 2 of some salt. I'm going to add in 6 cups of bread flour, but I'm going to slowly incorporate it and do 1 cup at a time. Mix that in. Adding my 2nd cup of flour, mixing it in. 3rd cup, and mix her in. Adding my 4th cup. It's good to slowly add it in because sometimes you do not need full 6 cups of flour. 5th cup, it'll start incorporating more. I'm gonna go ahead and just lay out some of the flour that I measured. We're doing this by hand. I'm gonna keep kneading it until I form a ball. And I'm not gonna add any more flour until my dough starts forming somewhat of a ball. And if it's way too sticky to even handle, I'll add more flour, but if not, I'll just leave it alone. Or if it's just completely too dry, a little bit more water too. I'm only getting somewhere. You have it, it's okay, it's gonna be somewhat sticky, but as long as you can get your hands away from it, it's fine. I like to put a little bit of oil in a bowl and coat my dough in the oil. We're gonna let this rise until it doubles in size. And that's all the stand mixer's for, is just doing the mixing for you. So it is never a need. People were making bread before electricity. It's been an hour, my bread's doubled in size. Now I'm just gonna get out all the air bubbles. Yeah. It does make 2 loaves, by the way, so I'm going to cut it in half, kind of get it into a rectangle shape. And I'll flatten it out, just roll it up, and then pinch the seams, pop it in the pan. I'm going to let these rest again for about 45 minutes. It's been about 40 minutes. Now I'm going to bake these at 350 for 30 minutes. Once my bread comes out of the oven, I put it on a cooling rack. I'm going to let it cool all the way before I cut into it. But yeah, it's pretty easy, even without the fancy machine.